I'm going to tell you about new data, new foods, new food doses, and a whole bunch of new discoveries.
In the last video, we covered 5 foods to supercharge your health defense system and increase longevity. So in today's video, we are going to share a simple step-by-step, science-backed approach to preventing chronic disease and supporting your health defense systems, which Dr. Lee calls the 5x5x5 framework. We'll also share a 5-day meal plan that incorporates this framework. Before we do, let's get a 30,000-foot view of what the 5x5x5 framework is. Dr. William Lee's 5x5x5 framework is an approach to healthy eating designed to enhance well-being and support the body's natural defenses against diseases. At its core, it's a simple yet powerful guide to choosing foods that not only nourish your body, but actively work to promote health on a cellular level. The 5x5x5 inches in the framework refers to 3 main pillars: 5 defense systems of the body, 5 food categories to focus on, and the goal of consuming at least 5 foods from these categories every day. It's a straightforward way to make healthy eating approachable and impactful, aiming to help individuals optimize their diet without feeling overwhelmed by restrictive rules. The first 5 represents the 5 health defense systems in our bodies: angiogenesis, stem cells, microbiome, DNA protection and repair, and immunity. Angiogenesis is the body's ability to grow new blood vessels, which is vital for healing and health, but also needs balance to prevent overgrowth linked to diseases like cancer. Stem cells are responsible for repairing and regenerating damaged tissues, while the microbiome, the collection of microorganisms living in our gut, plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. The DNA protection system is responsible for defending our genetic material against damage. And finally, the immune system works to protect the body against harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Dr. Lee emphasizes that supporting these 5 systems is key to staying healthy and preventing chronic diseases. The second 5 refers to the 5 food categories that Dr. Lee recommends incorporating into your daily diet. These are fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and legumes. Each of these categories is chosen for their scientifically proven health benefits and their ability to nourish the body's defense systems. For example, fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support your immune system and DNA repair. Whole grains offer fiber and nutrients that support the microbiome and help regulate blood sugar levels. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats and proteins that aid in cellular health and stem cell activity, while legumes offer plant-based protein and fiber, further supporting gut health and angiogenesis. The last 5 in the framework is about practical application, incorporating at least 5 foods from these categories into your diet every day. The idea is to focus on variety and consistency without feeling constrained to a specific plan or set of rules. By choosing a diverse range of plant-based foods daily, you're essentially supporting all 5 health defense systems. Dr. Lee encourages making this part of a daily habit rather than a rigid diet, as it's meant to be an adaptable approach that fits into different lifestyles and preferences. He believes that by regularly consuming a mix of these nutrient-dense foods, you can actively work to maintain balance within the body's defenses, which in turn helps prevent disease, boosts metabolism, and promotes overall well-being. The 5x5x5 framework is designed to empower people to take charge of their health through simple food choices, emphasizing that what you eat can serve as a powerful tool to boost your body's defenses. Dr. Lee's approach is meant to be flexible, enjoyable, and evidence-based, giving people an easy way to improve their health without overcomplicating the process. Now that you have a grasp of the 5x5x5 framework and its components, let's dive into how you can put this approach into practice in your daily life. Step 1. Choose your 5 foods for the day. The first step to building the best 5x5x5 is to begin by selecting 5 foods that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also boost your body's health defense systems. Keep in mind that the beauty of this step is that you can mix and match based on what you love eating and what your body needs. To make the selection process easier for you, think of it like building a strong defense team on a soccer field. But instead of strikers and defenders, Choose foods that play unique and specific roles in keeping you healthy. For example, you might go for blueberries. These little powerhouses are a delicious inclusion, plus they protect your DNA and support your immune system. Broccoli. Can't say broccoli is as delicious as blueberries, but it's a classic for a reason. This vegetable is not only great for DNA protection, but it also helps with cell regeneration, making it perfect for salads or stir fries. Olive oil. You've got to have some olive oil in your kitchen so you can drizzle it on just about anything. The perks? Olive oil helps with angiogenesis and gives your immune system a boost. Green tea. Dr. Lee's favorite drink serves more purpose than simply tasting good. Sipping on green tea throughout the day helps to protect your DNA and also promotes healthy blood flow, making it a simple way to get a lot of benefits without much effort. Nuts. Nuts are great because you've got a whole variety of them. So, whether you prefer almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, nuts are fantastic for your microbiome and immune health. Plus, they make a very convenient and super easy snack. Keep in mind that the key here is variety and choosing foods that you like. Also, watch out for your allergies and instead select foods that provide the same function so you're not missing out on any health benefits. This way, you're supporting different parts of your body and keeping things interesting. Before we move on, if you would like more tips like this, make sure that you subscribe to our QuickTime newsletter for exclusive health insights and recipes delivered straight to your inbox. Step 2. Balance your meals. Now that you've selected your 5 power foods, it's time to learn how to spread them across your meals to ensure you're nourishing your body throughout the day. For this step, the goal is balance. That is, making sure your meals support all 5 of your health defense systems. It might sound intimidating, but here's a simple way to do it. You've always got to start your day with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. To make it even more nutritious, begin your day by incorporating some of the foods you've selected for optimal health right away. For example, you could simply toss a handful of blueberries into your oatmeal or yogurt, or sprinkle some nuts on it. This way, you won't just be giving your immune system a boost, you'll also help protect your DNA or microbiome from the get-go. After your breakfast, you could sip on a cup of green tea. Since green tea is one incredible way to support healthy angiogenesis and keep your DNA protected, this way, while you work or run errands, you'll be doing extra good for your health defense system. For your midday meal, you can simply drizzle some olive oil on your salad or veggies. It's a small addition, but it helps with both angiogenesis and immunity, while also adding flavor to your meal. If you need a snack, simply grab a handful of nuts, almonds or walnuts would work just fine, and munch on them. Doing this will help support your gut microbiome and keep your energy steady until dinner. Finally, once it's time for dinner, you could make vegetables like broccoli the star of your plate. Whether you choose to roast, steam, or stir-fry it, it's an easy way to protect your DNA and encourage cell regeneration after a long, hectic day. Don't forget that this is simply an example and that you can choose to eat whether you want to, so long as they help the health defense systems in one way or another. By spreading these 5 foods across your day, you're giving your body the consistent support it needs. Step 3. Plan for the week. Now, you've got the basics down, so it's time to focus on planning for the week. For this step, the key is to aim for 5 days of balanced, nourishing meals that cover a variety of foods to support all your health defense systems. It'll be easier for you if you take some time to meal prep. Why so? Not only does it take the guesswork out of eating, but when you have a plan, you're more likely to stick to it, which equals consistency. And what's the most important aspect of the 5x5x5 framework? Consistency. Plus, by mapping out your meals for the week, you can make sure you're getting a good mix of foods that cover your immunity, regeneration, DNA protection, angiogenesis, and microbiome health. As promised, we're going to share a sample 5-day 5x5x5 meal plan that incorporates all of the foods you should be consuming to keep your health defense systems in good shape. Day 1. Start your day with a breakfast of strawberries, which protect your DNA, and walnuts, packed with omega-3s and polyphenols that promote angiogenesis. For lunch, add red bell peppers to boost immunity with vitamin C, and drizzle olive oil for extra DNA protection. At dinner, broccoli's sulforaphane helps reduce oxidative stress, keeping your cells safe. Snack on blueberries for their immune-boosting flavonoids. And if you're craving something sweet, a bit of dark chocolate aids cell repair with its rich polyphenols. Day 2. For breakfast, enjoy black raspberries and spinach, packed with anthocyanins and lutein to protect your DNA. At lunch, turmeric's curcumin boosts immunity, while cauliflower adds sulforaphane for DNA defense. For dinner, rosemary aids angiogenesis with its polyphenols like carnosic acid. Snack on almond butter to support microbiome health with prebiotic fibers and healthy fats. If you want a treat, add pomegranate seeds for their powerful DNA-protecting antioxidants, punicalagins. Day 3. For breakfast, start with cherries for DNA protection and add pecans for fiber and polyphenols to support microbiome health. At lunch, guava provides vitamin C and antioxidants for DNA defense, and pine nuts promote angiogenesis with omega-3s. Dinner includes broccoli rabe, rich in sulforaphane for DNA protection. Snack on cranberries to benefit your microbiome with prebiotics and polyphenols. Optionally, macadamia nuts offer added DNA protection through antioxidants. Day 4. Breakfast includes raspberries, loaded with antioxidants for DNA protection, and almonds, which provide prebiotic fiber and healthy fats to support the microbiome. For lunch, red bell peppers boost immunity with their vitamin C. Dinner features kale, packed with antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and K for DNA health. Snack on cinnamon to promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Optionally, blueberry sorbet can enhance immunity with antioxidants and flavonoids. Day 5, kick off breakfast with mango to boost immunity with vitamin C and guava to protect DNA with antioxidants. Lunch pairs red mullet, promoting angiogenesis with omega-3s, and apricots, supporting it with carotenoids and vitamins. Romanesco for dinner aids angiogenesis with its antioxidant profile. Snack on peaches for their vitamins and antioxidants that support angiogenesis. Optionally, enjoy dark chocolate to enhance regeneration through polyphenols that support cell repair. The foods you see are spread out throughout the day, meaning that each food serves one health defense protection purpose. At the end of the day, you would have consumed all the nutrients necessary to keep your body healthy. Also, remember that this is a 5-day plan made easy for you to follow along if you wish. Ready to give it a try? Start by following the sample meal plan for the next 5 days and see how you feel. You'll notice the benefits as you fuel your body with foods that help you thrive. To help you get started, download the free weekly meal planning template linked below, as it'll make planning your next 5 days a breeze. Now, if you're ready to learn 5 common mistakes people make that weaken their health defense system, check out our next video.